we are given a sorted list where values may repeat, like 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. We want to keep just one copy of each value, push to the front, and report how many unique values there are. Here that count is 3. Because the list is sorted, all copies of a value sit together, and that is what makes this easy. We use 2 pointers. A slow one, j, marks the position of the last unique value we have kept. A fast one, I, races ahead reading the list. Whenever the fast pointer finds a value different from the one at the slow pointer, we know it is new, so we step the slow pointer forward and copy the new value there. Because the array is sorted, a value different from the last kept one is guaranteed to be unseen. If the list is empty, there are 0 uniques. Otherwise, the slow pointer j starts at 0. The fast pointer I scans from 1. Each time the value at I differs from the value at j, we advance j and write the new value there. At the end, j plus 1 is how many unique values sit at the front. Let's write the 2-pointer version and count the uniques. Guard the empty case, then set the slow pointer j at the first element, which is always unique. The fast pointer scans ahead, and each time it finds a new value, we step j forward and store it. The unique values now sit in the front, and j plus 1 is their count. Now let's test it and hit run. The first list has 3 distinct values, 1, 2, and 3. A list with no repeats keeps its length. And a list where everything is the same collapses to a single unique value. The fast pointer walks the list. When it finds a value different from the last kept one, we advance the slow pointer and copy the value across. Either way, the fast pointer moves on. At the end, we return the slow pointer plus 1. The fast pointer crosses the list once, so order end time. We rewrite the array in place with just 2 index variables, so order 1 extra space. Keep in mind, this trick relies on the list being sorted, so equal values touch. Return j plus 1, not j, because the count is 1 more than the last index used. And guard the empty list so you never read a first element that isn't there.